coffee first.
Yes, I would love some. We're gonna have a lot of fun. It'll be a good time. Starting out with a good muffin, cappuccino. Kind of rainy outside. We're going somewhere nice. Can't wait.
Got our coffee, ready to go. Thank you.
Enjoy.
What's up? This is gonna be so good. Where are we going next?
Oh, you know, I think we're going to the mall to do last minute shopping real quick.
And then dropping off a few things, and now it's gonna drop. Nope. Hold this and I can grab it. And then
Got some good stuff.
dropping something off at the UPS store. Does it taste pretty good?
It's delicious.
Nate's back there being all social and stuff, you know, with his earbuds in. It's okay though. We are just going to take off. We have like a 2-hour flight. I think or how many hours?
2 hours, something like that. 2 hours and 20 minutes. Going to
We'll see you guys there.
Can't wait.
We made it to Florida. Now we're waiting on our Uber.
Nice and warm and toasty.
There are palm trees.
A little cloudy. And the tornadoes.
So we are on our way to the cruise ship.
If you told me that you love me, I would feel so proud. If you let me hold you, honey, and holler out loud. I'll never love another, even if I can. Oh, come to me, baby, I'm a one-woman man. Won't you let me, baby, just ride around? I'll always love you, honey, and I'll never let you down. I'll never love another, even if I can. Oh, come to me, baby, I'm a one-woman man. Come to me, baby, I'm a one-woman man.
We're going on the
We just took our luggage, dropped off, and now it's so hot. And there's Nathan. And we're about to check in. Here's our room. It's a little hard to see. Okay, we still didn't take off yet, so we're still in Florida. Okay, there you go. And then there's our little deck. It's so tiny and cute. And there's Babe, the cutest of all. I need to show you the bathroom though. A nice mirror. Oh, and the bathroom is so tiny. Okay. Let me see if I can make it a little bigger. There you go. Okay, so there's a little sink. And a shower. We are officially sailing. We're untied. We are headed off for a 7-day cruise on the biggest ship in the entire world. So exciting. You can't really see that we're moving because we're going so slow. definitely feel it. So this is who we found. Yay! Brayden! Brayden, say hi. Oh. Hi.
Well, should we stick upstairs, guys?
We have a week. Let's go get some pizza. I'll have a pepperoni.
How many pepperoni? Just one?
Alright, let's drop these balloons. Everybody, let's count down from 2 to 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Welcome to the center of the sea.
After a big night last night, we decided to eat breakfast in bed with an amazing view. And with breakfast being complimentary, it makes it all the better.
We are here at St. Kitts. It's so pretty here.
Yeah.
The weather is amazing, and the view is just gorgeous. Where are you guys going? Oh, it's the wrong way. We're going on an ATV tour.
Oh, just sit up and have a picnic up here.
We spotted a cow!
It's a native cow.
Oh, can you see it? I don't know. We have cows back at home too, but it's kind of cool. I like cows. There's the volcano on the right there. And then left.
There's a pretty girl to my right.
Up there is the beautiful. And more cows. Hey there, mister! How you doing?
That was funny.
We got this thing called, what is it called?
A green thing. No, it's a guava or guava.
I don't know what.
Guava.
I asked what, and he said it again, but I still didn't really know what he said. So he said we can eat it, so I think we're gonna give it a shot. What does it taste? Oh, he spit it out. He spit it.
It's actually pretty good.
He spit it out, and he said it's pretty good.
Like it's different.
I can't hold the camera still.
It's bright. We're having fun. It is a beautiful day, and we are driving around these ATVs. And I'm trying to drive extra careful that I have precious cargo on board. Good time.
Such a fun day. Now back to the cruise ship.
I'm enjoying this ice cream cone with the beautiful view, getting some sun. And there's Babe getting ready to play basketball. We are ready for a very nice dinner with the captain, with our friends.
Food here is absolutely incredible, and with it being included, we've been eating so much. And now for the amazing dessert. So good.
Dinner, a really nice dinner with the captain, and pictures taken. There's like this, there's the photographers all over through throughout the ship, and they just take all your pictures. And then at the end, you can go look at them and purchase the ones that you like, or you can get all of them. It's all about the so you can purchase the ones that you really like, or like in a package. So we just did that, and now we are at this show. We're waiting for it to start. We just got back from the Love Marriage show, and it was a success. It was so funny.
Amazing.
So there were these 3 couples. One was married, the longest. One was married like the shortest, and the other was like in between, so like 11 years or whatever. And there were like these jokes, and just they were asking questions to each other separately without like asking the guys questions, and then asking the girls questions to see if like they matched up and stuff. And it was so funny. It was hilarious.
It was a good time, and we realized what we want to be like in 63 years.
Yeah, the oldest couple.
Crazy, and they were like, they knew each other inside and out.
63 years, and
we only have 59 more to go. Married almost 4, and so
yeah,
59. Here we go.
We are here at St. Thomas, and it's so gorgeous here. We have our scooters. There's Bay.
We are driving on our very fast, grand total, probably 25-mile-an-hour scooter, bouncing around this island.
The last time we were on a little moped is when Dave comes and he took me for the very first time.
That was a good day.
And so he just rehearsed it. That was really fun.
Gentlemen, always tell your ladies you love them. They love you.
Nathan, what are we about to eat?
You want to get to 8? It's time for you.
Just get 4.
What?
4 or 5 bucks. Get that one.
I can pull up with mine. How much? Yeah. Thank you. Alright. Pretty good.
Hey, it's really good.
Some people spit it.
Oh my goodness, it's so good.
How do you know? Oh yeah, I can see that.
Taking in these views before we have to head back on the ship. Oh my goodness, so pretty.
There's so much on this ship. I can't stress enough how big it is. But I'm gonna try my best to show you. So, we just came from the boardwalk, and I want to show you the dancing.
Good to me.
I'll have a pepperoni.
How many pepperoni?
Just one?
I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long.
He sang at our wedding.
That's quite strong.
We are on the 8th floor. This is the garden. It's so pretty. There's just lots of real greenery and tables and chairs and entrances to restaurants. Everything's super clean, which is really nice. What do you say? It's pretty clean.
Yes, they
And-
did a very good job to get everything.
And what do you say? It's pretty family oriented.
Very family oriented. It's not a huge party. I mean, party boat. There's some on it, but compared to other cruises we've been on, this has been much more family oriented than it is.
But it's still a good time, like in. We just got here at Coco Cay, Bahamas. There's the front of the Symphony. All the people getting off, and here is the water. It's gonna be a great day.
A great, great day.
Got a few pictures here at the Bahamas. Oh, and a selfie with this cute little guy. Such a perfect day here at Coco Cay.
It's a beautiful island. It's very small. It's basically all water park. I mean, there's like beach area and stuff too. You can see the water park. It's really pretty. It was a little bit windy today, but we still had a lot of fun. I got some sun. I love doing that. I love laying out. And this cutie played lots of volleyball, and he actually won the tournament. So that's awesome. And so now we are headed back to this beautiful Symphony of the Seas.
We're on the 10th floor. Can give you guys a little tour. You can either take the stairs or the elevators. We do both, depending on where we're going.
Last night here on the cruise ship. I will show you all of the food. There's so much of it. So much.
There's seriously unlimited food. It just keeps going and going.